Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Mom Driving Drunk with 3 Kids Ends Badly.
On October 18, 2025, officers approached a vehicle stopped in the middle of the road, being operated by what appeared to be a drunk driver.
Yeah, the possible disabled vehicle. Alan Neeson, John, Frank, Tom, 6323. Alan and Eastland.
Sorry.
Hello.
Hi.
Is everything good?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Okay, what's going on? You guys are parked in the middle of the road and had your door open.
Stop. I'm sorry.
Why'd you have to stop?
I was looking for my phone.
You looking for your phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
We literally live right around the corner.
You said you live around the corner?
Yeah.
Where at?
Right on Sylvia.
Which way on
right,
Sylvia?
Yeah. So.
If you make a right?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you by chance? So we can start this way. Did you throw up?
I did not throw up.
Okay, firm. What's all this?
This is just like a Sprite.
A Sprite?
Yeah.
With lettuce in it?
Not lettuce, no, it's mint.
Okay.
Mickey.
Where are you coming from?
We were coming from La Playa.
What's that?
It's a Mexican seafood place.
Mexican seafood place? Okay. You have anything to drink while you're there?
No.
No? Okay. Would you mind just shutting the truck off while I'm talking with you? No, right here's fine. I got my car behind you guys. You just shut it off for me.
Okay.
Okay. What about you, ma'am? Any weapons on you?
No.
No? Okay. How many kids you got back here?
3.
3?
He just came. Why does he have the seat? Okay.
Just came out of his seat?
Yeah, he just came out of his seat.
Okay, yeah, I see you got a booster seat back there. All right. Well, maybe you just hop out for me real quick. I'm just going to talk to you back here.
That's. Better call Isaac.
All right, we'll just come back. You mind just shutting your door? Yeah, so that way nobody hits it. We'll come over here to the sidewalk so we're not standing in the middle of the road.
Okay.
44 dispatch. Where's the restaurant at?
On Detroit Road in, I think it's Cleveland or Lakewood.
Cleveland or Lakewood,
Yeah,
like on the
right
border
on the
over
border,
there?
yeah.
Okay. What time did you guys leave there?
Literally 20 minutes ago.
20 minutes ago? Okay. Just going out for dinner or a special occasion?
Just to celebrate my birthday.
And who's that in the passenger seat?
That's my mother.
Okay, and then the 3 children are all yours?
Yep.
Okay. How old are they?
2, 1, and 13.
2, 1, and 13?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how old are you?
Oh my God, 33.
33.
Dang, 2, 1, and 13. So an 11-year gap between the second child and the. Dang, you was almost out of the woods, man. You know, 18, go to college. You was almost in the clear. And then you start back over with 2? Oh, man. Oh, man. Now that's, woo. God bless you, man. You got 13. So your kid was 11 when you had your 2-year-old. You had 11, you had a few more years to go, man. You hitting them preteens. You know how they get with them preteens, man. You know, almost in the clear. Ugh, almost. Damn.
3?
Sorry.
Okay, you're good.
I just turned 33, so I'm trying to get used to it.
So you spilled a drink or somebody spilled a drink?
Yeah, so my youngest kind of threw it.
Okay.
Because he had the cup of Sprite, which had like mint leaves in it. It was like a virgin soda something or another that we got for the kids. It was in a to-go cup, and he decided to chuck it, which is also why I kind of stopped, because I was also looking for my phone.
Gotcha. Did you find your phone?
No, sir.
Okay. Which one threw it? The littlest one?
This smallest one, yeah.
Okay.
Because I tried to give him a sip, and then he kind of just chucked it.
Having a little mini tantrum, kind of?
Yeah, it's past our bedtime, so.
Gotcha.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you just come up here to the sidewalk. All right. want you to just stand with your feet together like this. Keep your arms out your side, okay? Yeah, if you can just put that in your pocket for me.
Sir.
Okay. You wear contacts or glasses?
Glasses.
Okay. Obviously, you don't have them on right now. You see the tip of my pen right here?
Yep.
I want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay? All right, you can go ahead and blink. Is that your mom?
Yes, it's me.
Was she drinking while you guys were there?
She
by
was,
chance?
yes.
Okay. So you're supposed to be the DD?
Nope.
No?
My fiance was.
Your fiance was?
Yep.
Okay.
He's
And
not
then he
He
jumped
is
out the
not
car.
drinking, no. Yeah, he is
and then
not
you
drinking.
got in the driver's seat.
Correct.
Okay.
So I was looking for my phone.
So he was the DD for everybody in the truck?
Correct.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Same thing. Arms out your side for me. Just follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move.
Nah, that don't make no sense. There's only 5 seats in the car. That don't make no sense. Your husband was supposed to be the DD for everybody in the car, but you got 2 seats in the front, 3 in the back. That don't make no sense.
Your head, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So for this next test, what I want you to do is imagine that there's a straight line on the sidewalk. Okay? Go ahead and put your left foot on that line. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, and then put your arms on your side. Do you have any questions about the test? Do you need me to demonstrate it again since there's a little break? No?
Nope.
Okay. You may begin whenever you're ready.
Okay. 5, 7, 8, 9. Shouldn't have done the way I did. Failed.
Okay. So for this next test, I want you to stand with your feet together, arms down your side, just like the first one, okay? When I tell you to, you're going to raise either leg of your choosing, it doesn't matter, with your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground and parallel to the ground, okay?
Okay.
During this test, I want you to keep both legs straight and both arms down at your side. While watching your raised foot, I want you to count out loud like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
No? Okay, you may begin whenever you're ready.
1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, Jesus, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 10. Was this supposed to count to?
Until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
So go ahead and pick your foot up and then right where you left off.
Okay. 10, 1,000. Jesus, Lord. Please hold.
Okay.
Can I switch?
You can go ahead and stop, actually. You're good. You can go ahead and stop. All right, in this next test, I want you to just face that way for me. All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Behind my back?
Yep,
Why?
behind your back, because you're under arrest for OVI.
But why?
Stop.
I'm not even driving, sir. Whoa, I'm not even driving.
Listen.
Sir, I am not driving.
Don't listen.
No.
We'll talk to you.
Sir, no.
All right, we'll talk to you like we said.
No.
Listen to me. Just
Sir, I am not
Hey.
driving. My husband was driving.
Okay.
So why am I under arrest?
Like I said, because I believe you've had too much alcohol to operate a motor vehicle safely,
I am
okay?
not operating a motor
We're going to come back to my car over here, okay?
No, Isaac. Isaac.
we'll talk to him.
No, there's nothing.
Can you unlock my car? Do you have anything on you
No,
besides your vape?
sir, I don't.
Do you need
But
anything
why am
else
I being arrested? Isaac?
for operating a vehicle?
I'm not.
Okay,
And
well,
that's the thing. So why
okay.
am I getting arrested?
Man, that's what court's for. If you want to
No,
argue, if
I
you
am
want to
not
argue
going.
it, okay. Go ahead and have a seat.
Isaac.
Go ahead and have a seat, ma'am.
I'm not.
Do you need your phone or your purse or anything? Sorry.
Yeah,
I waiting for you.
So
we just got into an argument
where did you get out of the truck?
right here.
That's not what she told me. She said way back there.
We got off the highway. She's drunk. We got off the highway here and came this way. We
Okay.
came from Lakewood, Tremont.
So
I walked that way.
why'd you walk that way?
I live in Columbia Station.
Well, she said that you were going back to her house on Sylvia.
I ain't walking that way to Sylvia.
Well,
I'd walk
before
that way to
before she was arrested, she told me that she dropped you off way back there.
Sir, I'm telling you, I walked.
Am I tripping? The audio don't even match the video. All right. Crime Time Cam, man. I'm gonna just take y'all. I know this video official. You know what I mean? Y'all do good work. So I'm gonna let this one slide, man. But nah, bruh. The audio don't even match the video, man.
That way.
Okay. Well, I'm just letting you know what she told me. She's in the driver's seat.
She was. I understand.
Fumbling with something as I drive by. It's parked in the middle of the road.
Yes, that was me.
And she's drunk.
Yes.
She's operating a vehicle under the influence. Okay.
So she was in the center seat. Her mother's in the passenger seat. There's 3 kids in the back seat.
I saw that.
I was driving. I jumped out because she's arguing and she's drunk. I should have parked it in the parking spot in the side here. They live on Sylvia right here, not the first block. But I literally needed to get away from her. It's all I needed to do. That was me. She was not driving. That's where I parked it. Gotcha. She's wrong. I did not come this way. If you look at the GPS that's going on the phone right now, probably.
Where are you guys coming from?
It's a Mexican restaurant. We went there for my son's birthday a couple months ago. It's in off Detroit Road.
In Lakewood?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. Like, there's no way I came from that way. I came from that way.
I got you.
I just got off the highway.
All right. Just hang out with this officer. I'll be right back.
That's Dad right there. Okay. Stepdad. But everybody lives with stepdad?
I know, but they're back and forth here with me.
Okay. All right. You want to talk to her about the truck, or?
Yeah.
I got everybody's info.
Okay. So, man, what happened? Because I'm getting conflicting stories from everybody here, so I just want the truth.
We want to go out to dinner.
Mm-hmm.
We came from Lakewood, and me and her started arguing about my other daughter-in-law,
mm-hmm.
and then things just kind of spazzed out.
How did we end up here?
Because she was hitting and this and that, and this is where we stopped. I said, you can't stop in the middle of the road.
That's what you told her?
Yes.
Okay. So
she was not driving.
Well, you just told me that she stopped in the middle of the road.
Well,
that's driving.
We did.
There's no we can't drive a car.
Well,
it's one of the other person.
No, Isaac was driving.
Okay, now Isaac's driving.
Yes.
Okay.
She was sitting here, and there was a little bit of argument, and that's what.
Okay. So, what has to happen by Ohio law, we have to impound the vehicle because it's an OVI. So, if there's anything that you guys need, the children need, their booster seats or car seats, whatever, now would be a good time to get it, but it has to be impounded. That's not my decision, that's the Ohio law, okay?
Okay.
So, I'm going to go let the owner of the truck know that.
We're going to walk home?
Yeah, on Sylvia, it's not too far down the street. It's right over the river.
But I mean, we got the little one.
Okay. I understand, but yeah, you're going to have to walk, okay? Unless you want to call somebody. Yeah. We have to impound it by state law. Since it's OVI, we have to impound it. Even if you're the owner and you're here, we still have to impound it. If I let you drive off, my boss would probably.
You're serious.
I'm serious.
What city is this?
Brook Park. And Grandma just told me that she's the one who parked here.
No, she's not the one that parked there. I'm the one that parked there. They're both drunk. They're both.
Okay.
I will give you.
I'm just telling you what they said.
They both are drunk. Okay. I'm the only sober one. No, me and the kids are the only sober ones here.
I'm not saying drunk.
So you as a sober man is gonna park in the middle of the street. Is that what you're trying to tell us? He bugged out too, man. I ain't trying to hear that. But yeah, Crime Time Cam, listen, it's a simple fix. Extract the audio, keep the video. You could do this in most video editing softwares. You could do this in CapCut, wherever. Extract the audio, keep the video, and there's a setting somewhere and you can match it, boom, to sync it. Cause this is bad, man. Y'all just grabbed the footage. Y'all probably didn't even look at it, man. Y'all just grabbed the footage from somebody and just uploaded it. Cause there's no way come on, man. That's basic video editing now.
Drunk people always tell the truth, but I mean, you got two drunk people who are saying the exact same thing, that she was the one driving. So
So she's driving and she's the one. Guys, come on now. This just doesn't make any sense.
Okay. All right.
I'm sorry. I'm just.
You're good.
I'm not, I literally like.
I understand your frustration.
I'm the
I
one
do.
that drove. I literally put it on my kids. I'm the one that drove, but.
This is where we're going from there, all right? So it's got to get impounded.
understand
I told Grandma if she wants to get the kids all their car seats or booster seats, whatever, out of the truck, and then if you guys want to call somebody or just walk back to her house, it's up to you. You can get the truck out in the morning. You have to come to our police station first, get a tow release, and then you can go to Rich's Towing.
The woman was charged with a DUI and 3 counts of child. Thanks for.
Cops did the right thing, man. You know, she's throwing up all over the place or whatever. Like, whatever type of story they trying to come up with, it don't even make sense. Because if he was driving and he's sober, then why is there throw up on the driver's side? Like, you know, it's just, you got out the car and started walking or whatever. Like, come on, man. They're like, that don't even make sense, man. That ain't even what a real man do, man. You know, even if you arguing with your ladies or whatever the case may be, you make sure they get home safe, man. You don't get out the car and start walking and all that if you the sober one. That don't even make sense, man. I don't believe nothing he talking about. But anyways, yeah, I get the cops a 5. You know, they did their job. They did what they were supposed to do. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.